just explored how teams organize and deliver their assets. But using them consistently across markets, that's where the real brand maturity comes in. So what role do guidelines play in enabling this?
Guidelines turn assets into actionable behavior. They explain how to use an asset and not just what exists. If channels, markets, teams multiply, they basically ensure a common interpretation of the brand. They become the organization operating system for any branding and marketing activities.
So could we assume that if that information is structured in the right way, we're basically building the basis for true brand intelligence, so opening up the doors for teams to use AI in a meaningful way?
Yes, that's a very interesting question. I would start actually coming from a customer perspective. What we hear from customers more often is that they are asking us on how they can transform their guidelines, their brand portals into something that is more than a system of record. And here AI comes into play. So AI requires structured brand rules to provide meaningful and on-brand output, all of which we already have in the guideline. So investing into having guidelines AI-ready makes them the source of truth also for their own LLMs and even their specific AI agents.
A lot of the teams that are watching today are working across multiple markets and languages. What are some of the challenges that they are facing in achieving all of this?
They face localization challenges. So if you need to update and maintain multiple languages, that takes a lot of effort and is costly. So a lot of customers, they default to English-only guidelines. Then global guidance doesn't always map to local realities. So local teams need the flexibility to adjust. And finally, brands evolve fast. And to keep them up to date, this requires cross-team collaboration and continuous iteration.
Very exciting. Do you have something to show us today?
Yes, I will introduce you to AI translation. And now adding a new language to support your local teams and markets basically only takes a few clicks. The new action toolbar is the entry point. Before running a translation, I can add a custom prompt, such as do not translate pizza pie, always keep it exactly as written. This is to protect key brand terms. The feature lets you scale guideline localization with minimal operational effort. This makes translation continuous, fast, and consistent. And you can even leave a comment for native-speaking colleagues to review. This keeps a human in the loop where it matters. Now let's move on to Copilot and an API that we just built. Recently, we introduced the Guidelines Content API. It's our first step towards a fully portable brand. It allows brand rules to move beyond Frontify and directly use them in the tools our customers use every day. Our first integration is with Microsoft Copilot. Here, the pizza pie guideline is connected to Copilot. Let me ask, what is the tone of voice of the pizza pie brand? Copilot instantly retrieves the real guideline rules. The benefit? Teams get accurate, up-to-date brand guidance right inside their daily workflow and without switching tools or searching manually. This complements the assistance we provide on our platform. It's making our customers' own AI tools more meaningful, more accurate, and more on brand.